right? That's a very good indication that the market is, in a really good spot. And you could have shorted here for a very aggressive and quick move on the market, like if you were trading SPY from R3 all the way down to S3. Hello everybody, my name is Thor Young. I'm a moderator of Bear Bull Traders, and I'm going to do a recap for you today. And mainly during my recap, we're going to talk about Tick. So I had a couple questions in the room today asking a little bit about Tick and how to utilize it in the trading. Now for those of you who don't know what Tick is, Tick $ in DOS will pull up Tick, which basically shows you the up and down tick related to NYSE stocks. So as the NYSE stocks trade up and down, Tick kind of takes that and quantifies that up ticks minus the down ticks, and it gives you an amount. So if you look down here on my chart here to the bottom side, notice AMD is moving up. Let's pop over to the SPY. Now, all of this tends to trend and correlate together. But notice as we have the uptick and we're kind of holding here around 400 right here. So I like to use a 3-minute chart on mine. We're actually pushing, and as we're pushing, you can see that the market is upticking. Now, how I like to use the uptick is basically kind of like a tachometer on an old car. Right, a lot of you, I don't know, with newer cars, I don't know, do the newer cars have tachometers in them? Where you can actually see the rev limit. Well, as you're looking at your car, especially if you had one where you had to shift gears, you would know that your car had been running too hot or had been revved too hard because of how high your tachometer was. Well, Tick is the same way. Notice here how our Tick went all the way to 600, and once it got to 600, it immediately drew back. And look what happened to the market, right? The market kind of stalled at the same moment. Right, so what this kind of shows you, right, is you don't really want to go long, right, when your Tick is really high, because it's very likely that the market is going to breathe, right, in that moment. It doesn't mean you're a short, right, but you don't want to go long there either, right, because you're going to want to let the market pull back to the average or breathe or something like that before you actually get long into a position, because you're much more likely for the market to now downtick as a whole than it is for it to uptick, because you're at this extreme area here. So one thing you can also use Tick for too is just to see your average amount. Look, if you go back and look at Tick over this past time period here, look how choppy and low volume Tick was through the whole opening part of the day, right? This really shows you that we had a really weak and choppy opening to the day, right? And if you come back here, look at that. Sure enough, we had a weak and choppy opening to the day. It wasn't till almost 11 o'clock, right, that anything interesting happened in the market. And look, there it is, right? There's our big move. But that happened at 11. Notice where our downtick happened at 11, right? This was our signal by having the Tick finally go below 400 and really press down to minus 800, which is a lot of downticking, right? And that happened here. So if you would have paired that sudden downtick with realizing that you were at R3 and you were doing a big moving average cross and losing pre-market high, right, that's a very good indication that the market is, in a really good spot. And you could have shorted here for a very aggressive and quick move on the market, like if you were trading SPY from R3 all the way down to S3. So just wanted to take a couple minutes and talk a little bit about Tick. There's some other applications in there. If you guys would like to hear more about it or learn more about it, go ahead and throw some comments below. Feel free to throw a thumbs up, like that channel, subscribe, ring that bell. You know how it goes. Otherwise, I hope everyone has a great week, awesome weekend, and I'll see you all on next week. As always, keep it green, y'all. Peace.